Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing cheetah print nails, and it's so easy. If you haven't tried this, I definitely recommend giving it a try. So I already prepped my nail tips, and I'm just quickly showing you how I stick them onto my stands. Yeah, these are Bellavina medium almond tips, which don't technically exist anymore, so you can just swap these out for whatever medium almond nails that you like the best. Also, let me know down below if you have tried this before. I started watching some shorts and I was like, oh my god, I need to try this, and I need these on my hands as soon as possible. Wait till you see the finished product. Very minimal products and so fast, so easy. So there we go. There they are, all ready to go on my little wooden nail stands, and we're gonna get right into it in just 2 seconds. Okay, so here are the nail tips, all buffed up, and this is the color I'm using for my base. This is a Rosalind mini polish. It's C463. It's a really pretty nude pink. I'm actually gonna be doing 2 coats. I'll show you quickly on like one nail because it's just repetitive. And I think this is gonna be this polish's last leg because I feel like I have to constantly like tip it and dip. But yeah, so this is really pretty. I'm actually sad, and I would love a full-size bottle of this if it exists. I don't even know. I bought this in like a big kit of minis off of Amazon. So yeah. It's just like the perfect sheer nude jelly pink. I'm sure I have like a similar one in Born Pretty. I just like don't even know anymore what I have. But so that's one coat. I'm gonna cure it and we'll do a second coat. So this is 2 coats. That polish literally drove me crazy with the tininess of the bottle, and then it's almost empty, but I'm glad I'm getting one more set out of it. So let me just show you the rest of the stuff that we're going to be using. So I'm going to be taking dotting tools. I believe I'm going to use the big one and probably the most skinny one. I'm going to be using this black liner gel, this Rosalind white, and this Nail Reserve iced coffee color as well, and a palette. Okay, so we're going to start with the French tip part. I'm going to take the white, and I'm just doing like a, it doesn't need to be perfect because we're going to be covering it up with the cheetah spots. So I'm just gonna like freehand it with the brush that comes in the bottle. Personally, I don't love such a deep C curve, or is that what you call it? Smile line, whatever. I like more of the old school one, which comes in handy because it's so easy and I don't even need to use like a liner brush. I'm probably gonna do 2 coats of this. I'm not entirely sure. I'm doing a second coat. And if you are looking for a really good liner gel that does not need 2 coats, I definitely recommend the Nail Reserve Art Gel in Snowdrop. If they're white, these are really, really good. I just wanted to use this because I haven't used it in a while, but uncomparable to this. Just a little recommendation there. Okay, so I'm going to take some of this onto my palette. That should be enough. And some of this black. Okay. This is so easy. I'm so annoyed that I waited so long, honestly, to try this. So let's take this. Oh, it's kind of, sorry, my cuticles are like disgusting right now. It's the bigger dotting tool.